in our class, right? So under that, I hope that we completed which concept, ma? Which concept we completed, my dear students? Which topic we completed, students, already in the class? Yes. Internal memory representation of STR data type. Yeah. Internal memory representation of STR data type we completed. Fine, students. Now it is the time to see to move forward to the further discussion. Look at, students, data types. Under that, sequential data types, STR data type. STR operations on STR is going on. Operations on STR is going on. Carefully look at that. Very carefully try to look at this. Very, very easy, not a difficult. So memory representation also I will open it. Memory representation also I will open it. See, my dear students, what is this memory representation which you have already done? Okay. So memory representation. Yes, ma, I'm feeling fine. Thank you. You are welcoming back. Yeah, Shohel Khan. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So let us move to the further discussion now. So let us move to the further. I'm going to introduce next concept here. What is the next concept we are entering? Something like this we are going. What is it? Indexing concept we already completed. Indexing concept we completed already. Next I'm entering into the, see that the STR memory diagram represent positive indexing as well as negative indexing. Positive indexing as well as negative indexing. So positive indexing starts with 0, negative indexing starts with -1. And you know how that data is represented. Already you are well aware of. Already you are well aware of this. Now it is a time to see to move forward. It is a time to see to move forward. Next concept I am going to introduce. See, students, last time we have done indexing. Next I want to go for slicing operation. I want to continue. This I will upload again. Now I'm going for the second one is called slicing, which is the most important in our class, right? Because indexing and slicing continuously, they are going to visible in front of us. They are going to be available continuously for us. So let us go for what is this slicing operation is. So simple, students, look at that. Indexing always gives you one letter at a time, one letter at a time. I want some range of characters. For example, I want this data. I want this data. PYT I want. Or I want something like HON. I want HON. I want YTHO. YTHO. I want YTHO. I want. I want like this. So I want PY. I want TH. I want ON. Some range of characters. Some range of characters. Whatever you want, I will get it. So let us go to the operations here. Very, very simple, students. Let us things I will give you. Let me give you the first example. The process of obtaining the range of characters. Range of what? Characters. Range of characters or substring of main string, substring of main string. The process of obtaining range of characters or substring of main string is called slicing. Is called what? Slicing. Is called slicing. The process of obtaining range of characters or substring of main string is called slicing. Excellent. So what are the various syntaxes? The slicing operation contains the following syntaxes. Let me go for various syntaxes in today's class. Slicing operation contains the following syntaxes. What is it? Syntax number 1. I'm talking about the syntax number 1. What is the syntax number 1? I'm going to explain. Syntax number 1, I'm going to explain. What is the syntax number 1 you see, students? First syntax I'm going to explain. strobj, strobj, I'm writing the syntax here itself. strobj of, strobj of, obj of start, or you can say begin, or whatever, start, begin, whatever it is, you will start with a begin, colon, end, yes, begin, colon, end. Now I'm going to give you this is syntax, obtains range of characters, range of what? Characters, range of characters from begin index. See here, begin index to end index, begin index to end index, begin index to end index. This syntax obtains range of characters from begin index to end index minus 1. Begin index to end index minus 1. Begin index to what? End index minus 1. Listen carefully. This syntax obtains range of characters from begin index to end index minus 1. Okay. Let us start the examples. What are the examples? You watch it here, ma? What are the examples? You watch it. Let us see the diagram once. Here I am writing a small piece of code here. What is my piece of code here? Yeah, look at. I'm giving the piece of code here. Observe it now. What is the piece of code here? Observe it. I'm writing here. S of. I'm writing 2:4. I'm writing 2:4. What is 2 here? All of you. What is this 2? Begin index. What is this 4? End index. What is this 2? Begin index. What is this 4? End index. What it gives? Gives characters from where? Begin index. What is the begin index? 2 to end index. What is it? End index minus 1. That is nothing but 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. What is the 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. What it gives? Why I am giving this clarity? Yes, second character, second character, and then third character will be coming. 2 to 3. 2 and 3 characters will come. What is an output here? Can anybody can say? Output is what? Come on, quickly. Output is what? Output, please. TH. Output is a TH will come. Observe it. Go to the Python environment, please. Python 3.10 command prompt. Let us see. S is equal to Python. S of 2:4. See the answer? TH. You can say print of S colon 2:2. Now I am saying that 2:4. It is going to give you this. Similarly, you write it like this. What is that? 1:6. Keep it in mind, ma. This bracket, this square brackets is important. 1:6 means what? See that, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. 5 only means what? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is nothing but a fifth. 1 to 5 will come. So what is that? P, Y, T, H, O, N. Which one is not coming? P is not coming. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters are this one. And then say print. You are getting YTHON. YTHON is the answer is coming. Next, I will write it one more here. One more here. See, my dear students, carefully I will say. Now I will say 3 to 6. I will say 3 to 6. 3 to 6. 3 to 6. 3 to 6. 6 minus 1. That is HON will come. HON will come. HON. What is the HON is coming? Right? Please look at this syntax obtains range of characters from begin index to end index 1 provided. See, students, be careful, ma, because you will get some syntax. Pooja, how you are saying, ma? I am saying the formula, na? Pooja. Pooja, please take it, ma. Provided begin index less than end index, less than end index. Begin index less than. If you want to get this data, begin index must be less than this. Otherwise, if this condition is not satisfied, we never get any output. We never get any output. We never get any output. Empty, that is called empty. Empty output will come. Empty output will come. Empty output will come. Sir, what are the examples here? What are the examples here? I'm going to give you the clarity here. See, please follow this condition, please. Right, students? Let us go to that place. Okay. Now print. I'm writing 13 colon 6. 13 colon 6. Is this condition satisfied? First condition you verify. Here, what is an answer here? 2 less than 4. Okay. It is okay. Answer will come. What is an answer here? 2, 2, 3. That is 4 minus 1 will come. Here, what is an answer? 1 less than 6. Because I am going to give you lot of syntaxes, because you should not get confused there. It is going to be called as what, you know? It is going to be called okay. Valid. That is going to be 1, 2, 6 minus 1 is called 5. 6 minus 1 is called 5. 5 will come. 1 to 5 will come. Next, 3 to 6. 3 less than 6 is also okay. What is the answer is coming? 3 to 5 will come. 3 to 5 will come. That is nothing but 3 to 6 minus 1. This is 13 less than 6 is false. Is false. Is not okay. You will get output empty. You will get empty output. You will get empty output. My dear students, please look at that. No output will come here. No output will come. I said empty. Empty means you remove this print statement. Remove this print statement. Now you see, I did not get any output space. Condition satisfying is very, very important. Is this conditions are okay? Right, students, please answer my question. Is this conditions are okay? Is it understandable or not? Please confirm it. Because if you get confused in this case, further if you get a doubt, you will get lot of problems. Right? Right. Come on, dear students, be careful enough. Yeah. Let us go for that. Once you understand this condition part, other things are going to be very easy. Pooja, are you getting, ma'am? Pooja, are you getting? Yeah, whatever I am explaining, this is a real-time standards only. Mr. Pawan Kumar. Pawan Kalyan. What we are saying here, we want to get some range of data anywhere else. Anywhere else. I want to get some sort of data. We want to get some sort of data. How to get the sort of data? I will go for indexing. Wherever you go for getting the sort of data, we want to get it. Suppose your native place is there. I want to get only first 3 letters. I want to get some last 3 letters. I want to get some values from one position to another position. I will go for this indexing and slicing. Whatever I explain, I used to explain only the standards, what you come across in real time. So especially you need not ask me where we can use it. This is nothing but I'm saying this only. Syntaxes, everything is, this is a real time standards only. Okay, right. Coming to the point of it, we ensure that it is going to be used everywhere else. Yeah, right. See, wrong, Prashant ma, please look at. When we get any wrong inputs, if you give it, you are going to get, see that I wrote it. If this is satisfied, you will get the output. Otherwise, we never get any output. That is an empty output will come, I said. Listen carefully, concentrate on my explanation so that you never get a single doubt also. This is my advice for all of you. Yeah. Let us go to the next second syntax. I will take it. This is the small example I'm giving. Lot of syntaxes I'll give you. One ultimate examples are going to come. Ultimate syntaxes I'm going to give you. Please follow this. Please follow this carefully. I'm going to give you the clarity on this area. Please follow this. And this is going to be getting the output like this. Empty. This is called empty. No output. No output. Why no output? 13 less than 6 is called what? False. False means no output. Here it is called empty. Empty output. This is an empty output. This is an empty output. We get it as what? Empty output. Coming to the discussion here, empty output. This is empty. Empty output. This is. Yes, perfect. Empty output. This is. Fine. This is called a syntax number 1. Let me go to the another way. Now, my dear students, carefully follow. S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Now I am writing S of print of S of I am writing minus 4 colon minus 2. Careful. When you are using positive indexes, either you use a positive beginning, positive ending. Either you retrieve the data in forward indexes values, or backward indexes completely use it. It is not recommended to use the mixed kind of things. It is my advice to everybody. Don't use a mixed beginning and a mixed ending. Either you use a positive, because for your comfortability of the operation, don't go for complex related things. Either you go for a positive beginning, positive ending, or you go for negative beginning, negative ending. Is it valid or invalid? Come on, output, please. Come on, all of you. I may not be able to repeat again and again. Please be careful. Beginning only. It is valid. If you don't concentrate, you will get a trouble at the end of the class. Again, if you say repeat, sir, I cannot, because this is a sensitive part. You take care. -4 less than -2. Because I will repeat any number of times, but you will get confused. Beginning only. -4 less than -2 is called true. What is an answer is coming, ma'am? -4 to -2 -1. Formula. -4 -3 that's it. -4 -3. What is an output here? -4 -3. You see the -4 -3 output, please. TH. Actually, it is very easy. It is very easy. Close this bracket. TH is an answer. I will write here once again here. I will write it here -6 to what you know -1. I am writing -1. What is an answer is coming? You see. Close it. Answer is what? Pytho. Are you following? Now I will write it here. -3. Now I am writing -1. -1 I am writing. What is the answer is coming? HO. So like this you need to take. Suppose I am writing something like -1. I am writing here. Colon -3 I am writing. -3 I am writing. -1, sorry. -1 and -3. Be careful, ma. Be careful. See, output is not coming here because condition is false. Invalid, that is. Empty. This is nothing but a space. You will get the space. Space is coming here. You see, space is coming. This is also called a negative related indexes. So I'm giving clarity in this, because if you don't get it, If you don't listen carefully, you will get the problem of understanding. Because if you get a problem, again explaining will give you the confusion for you. I don't mind to explain any number of times, but you will get confused. Beginning only, if you listen, it is quite easy for you. This is nothing but what? Empty output. No output, I can write it. No output. No output. Because I can write it, I can mention it, because -1 less than -3 is a false. Is a false. Here I am writing of this one is called what? Here I am writing is empty space, empty output, empty output, empty output. Because already you know -1 less than -3 is a false, is false. That's it. So we got the output like this. I hope you people are understanding what I'm trying to say. Right. Come on to the point of it. Vamshi, I will come to Ma. Please follow me carefully. Please follow me. Vamshi, I will come to that area, Ma. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will give you, because I will give you some 5 to 6 syntaxes I will give you. Right? Fine. Please listen. Please listen. All of you listen. Right. Coming to this, next part of the syntax. This is called one syntax. Syntax number 1. Syntax number 2, I am going to talk. Syntax number 2, I am going to start. Syntax number 2, I am going to explain. What is the syntax number 2, sir? How simple, sir, it is? Syntax number 2, I am going to talk. Syntax number 2. What is the syntax number 2? I am specifying begin, colon. I am not specifying end, I am not specifying end. Syntax number 2, I specified begin index. I did not specify end index. strobj of begin colon end I am not giving. End I am not giving. End is absent. In this case, how it is going to be formulated? This syntax gives, look at this syntax gives range of characters. Simba, range of characters. Listen, when I am explaining, listen. Range of characters from begin index to what? Last letter. Why? Because in this syntax, what is missing? End index. Here, end index is missing. In this syntax, begin index is specified. In this, if you want, I can write it. In this syntax, we have begin index. We have begin index and end index is not specified. Is not specified. Then how end index is specified? Do you know, students? When end index is not specified, internally PVM takes, here I will write it. Since programmer did not specify, very easy. Since programmer did not specify the end index, then and hence end index considered by PVM as what? LEN of strobj. LEN of strobj -1. End index considered as what? End index -1. I will give you, ma. Look at. There is no, because I want to give scientific answers for you. So take S is equal to Python. What is LEN of S? What is strobj? What is that? 6. 6 minus 1 will be taken. 6 minus 1. See that. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5. Now you come. This syntax gives range of characters from begin index to begin index to last character of the this syntax gives range of characters from begin index to last character of the strobj. That is nothing but len of strobj minus 1. It is as good as specified last only. Right? Fine. Coming to know this, students, all of you carefully observe it. Here. This syntax gives range of characters from begin index to last character of the strobj. That is how you are going to do it. End index is equal to, if you want end index is equal to, in the bracket I am writing end index is equal to, what is that end index? len of strobj minus 1. How simple it is. Now I will go for the examples, students. You can understand me very well. Students, did you understand this area of formula? Is this formula is clear? Simple, ma. End index is not special. It will take up to last character. Students, did you understand, ma? Please confirm it so that I can move forward. Okay, very, very simple. Let us consider, ma, Python print of yes of 2 colon. I did not specify end index. What is the answer, please? Open your diagram. 2. From the 2, it will take up to last. What is the last? 2 to last. What is the answer here? Thon. Thon. Students, did you understand? I specified 2, and it is going to give you what? From the second character to last, it will take. Last means what? Last means don't take like a thumb rule. To take last character position minus 1. len of str is what? 6. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is called what? 6 minus 1 is called what? 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. What is that? 2 to 5? 2 to 5 means what? Thon. Thon is an answer. Is it understandable, students? len of s is called 6 minus 1 is an ending character. Because in every real-time point of view, every MCQs, if you go to that, see Thon. Once again, I will write it. I am writing here something like, 1 I am writing. 1 I am writing. From where it is taking? See the diagram. Keep the diagram in front of you. What is the diagram? Ython. Ython. Just to follow my formulas, more than enough. I am writing something like, 4. 4 I am writing. 4. 4 to last. What is the 4 to last? 4 to last, Hana. Seema. Why confusion? On is coming. On is coming. Very, very simple, students. How simple it is. So Python 4.2, this is coming like this. So simple, students. Answer is okay. Now the answer is clear. Now I am writing here. One more time I am writing. What I am going to write it here. Now I am going to say. Here I am going to say. Minus 1 I am writing. Negative index part I am taking. Minus 2 I am writing. Minus 2. See that what is minus 2 written? Minus 2. It is in minus 2. To where? Last. Minus 2 means don't think in other way. Don't think in this direction. It is going to be in forward direction only. It is thinking. It is in forward direction because this is one of the most biggest doubt to the students. It is like that. Okay. Now coming to the point of it. Next, I told already the formula, na? Minus 6 I said. Minus 6. What is the answer, please? Minus 6 is what? Minus 6 to last character. What is the answer? Venkatesh Balerao. So Python is an answer. Python is an answer. Now I'm writing here, for example, 0, I'm writing 0. What is an answer here? What is an answer? Python. What is an answer here? Again, Python is an answer called Python. Is it understandable, students? Is it understandable, students? Once again, I am writing here -2. What is an answer? Python. I am writing something like -5. What is an answer? Python. This is the data related to this. Fine, students, how simple it is. Examples I am giving. Answer is called what? Thon. Answer is called what here? Python. And the answer is called what here? On. And the print of this on. Of course, 6 is called like this. Next, 0 is called like this. Now, on like this I am taking on. Now I am taking like this. It is called like this. This is the information related to this. I hope you are understanding what I'm talking. I hope you are understanding what I'm talking. Is second syntax is clear? Is second syntax is clear? Is second syntax is clear or not? Fine. Right? Somebody is asking like this, ma. Somebody is asking like this. 5, they are asking 5. 5 they are asking. What is an answer? 5. 5 to last is called what? 5 to last is called n only. Yeah, somebody asked, ma'am. Yes, n. N is an answer. 5 to last, n. Somebody asked about that. Okay, very good. Is the syntax is clear or not? Confirm it, please. Is the syntax is clear or not? Yes. Very, very easy, ma'am. Now I am going for what is specified, what is not specified. Now I am going to specify. Next syntax I am going for, because syntax number 3. Here I am specifying. Begin I am not specifying. End I am specifying. Here what is not specified, ma'am? Begin is not specified. Begin is empty. End only specified. In this syntax, we did not specify. We have not specified. We have not specified begin index, and we specified, and end index is specified, and end index is specified. Formula, ma, Ankit. It is a formula. They designed the formula like that. Ankit. They designed the formula like that only. They gave the organization like that. Because why they took it? Because index starts from 0. If you have 10 characters, last character is what? 10 minus 1. Why? Because they started with what? 0, na, Ankit. That's why we written -1. Okay, sir. Coming to the point of it. Next, I'm going to take one more discussion here. S is equal to Python. This is called my data. Now it is going to take, in this case, see that in this syntax, we have not specified begin index, and end index is specified. If we did not specify the begin index, it will take the initial position index. It will specify the initial position index. Shravani, I will come to that, ma. I will come to that. Please look at the plain information. Later I will go for that kind of things. Don't worry. I will explain. So in this syntax, since we did not specify here, in this syntax, since we did not specify the end index, and end index is considered as PVM like this. Here we are taking, what is it? Here, since programmer did not specify which index, begin index, then begin index considered by PVM as initial index. Whether you observed or not, initial index, that is nothing but starts with 0 by default. Let us start here. Example section I'm going to give you. So this syntax gives, I'm going to give you, this syntax gives range of characters from where? Range of characters. This syntax gives range of characters from begin index, that is nothing but from which index? Initial index, because already I specified PVM begin index considered as initial index, to last index. to end index minus 1 of the strobj. This syntax gives range of characters from initial index to end index minus 1 of strobj. I hope you people are followed me. I hope you people followed me. Is it okay, students? Is it okay? Now let us go to the example. Print of s of I specified 5. Which one is missing, students? Which one is missing, students? Begin index is missing. It's a 0. 5. That means what? Begin index I did not specify 0. Begin index, this is called bi, begin index. To what? End index is specified, that is 5 minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the answer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the answer. See, my dear students, say the answer Pytho. Pytho is an answer. You close the bracket here, answer is Pytho. You say, my dear students, here, say something like 2, you will be getting py. You say, my dear students, 3, you see this pyt. I am specifying here something like, colon, I am writing something like, 3, I am writing pyt. Begin index. What is the begin index? See, this is always looking in which direction? Forward direction. Minus 3, minus 1. What is the initial index here? What is the initial index? Starting letter index is what? Memory diagram you see. Be careful. Initial index means don't think that. If you start like this, it is coming in reverse direction. Indexing is reversed only, but the data should not be in reverse. It should be taken as what? Minus 3. This will be taken like this. Minus 3, minus 1. Minus 3, minus 1 is nothing but minus 4. Answer is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Answer is like that. Are you understanding, students? Are you understanding, students? Go to the place. Now again I will say something like, minus 4. Answer is what? Py. Are you able to understand this point? Print of 5 colon minus 4. That is nothing but minus 6. Negative side beginning letter, this is minus 5, and then minus 4 minus 1, which is nothing but minus 5 only. P and then Y is an answer. This is the information related to this, because this is the information related to this. I say minus 6, it is going to be empty. Minus 6 minus 1 is nothing but what? Minus 7. Minus 7 is not there. I hope you are understanding this. Empty is the data. So once you concentrate well, it is not at all difficult. And you take any student who are learning Python, they don't know anything about this type of examples. Mind-blowing examples, these are all called. In interview point of view, this type of questions will come compulsory. Because without these questions, no interview will be there, and no student knows this many number of formulas. If you want, you can check by yourself. No student can answer these questions. Right? Coming to the point of it. What is this student, ma? Sir, in S of 0, Kumar Babu, what are you saying, ma, here? You need to follow, my dear student, this explanation what I give. Sir, S of 0. What are you specifying? 0 index you are specifying. Which index you did not specify? End index. What is my answer? What is my explanation? If you look at my explanation, it's so powerful and so international. It is so international. Look at my dear student. This syntax gives the range of character from begin index. What is the begin index you specified? 0 you specified. What is the last index? End index is considered as what? Ln of S. Ln of S is called 6. 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5. 0 to 5, what is that? Kumar Babu, 0 to 5 is what is an answer? Python is an answer or not? Answer is perfect. Kumar Babu, are you okay? Fine. These formulas you need to understand. That's it. Right. Take care of that. Now coming to the point back, here we are going to say like this. We need to, Ayo, Mr. Ankit, you need to be careful, ma. You don't ask that type of doubts, please. So you are asking this doubt, sir. When you are giving bracket in the next line, see here I opened the bracket, my dear student. Please concentrate. This is the opening bracket. I need to close now. Opened and then closed. You need to close now. If I don't close it, it is giving some line. It is not an error. It is not an error, my dear student. It is giving some dot. And whenever I close it, it is giving the output. It is not an error. It is not an error. It is not an error because I am giving the dot means what? Still programmer is writing something. That is the meaning. Please practice the programs very well. Come on to this point. Here, answer is empty. Answer is empty. Please don't get the doubts, ma. Please don't get the doubt. Right. Once you open it, you need to close it. Without opening and closing, nothing will come out of that. Nothing will come out of that. So here, and this is the one which we need to take care of it. Fine. So once you open the bracket, you need to close it. Until you close it, it is going on giving the continuation part of it. Empty. Right. Is the syntax number 3 is understandable? All of you. Is the syntax number 3 is understandable, students? Quickly. Yes. When begin index is not, end index is not specified up to last character. When begin index is not specified, it is taking beginning one. Syntax number 4. I'm taking syntax number 4. Very dangerous. Syntax number 4 I'm taking. What I'm not specifying? Begin I'm not specifying. End also I'm not specifying. Begin also I'm not specifying. End also I'm not specifying. Begin also I'm not specifying. End also I'm not specifying. Are you able to understand, students? Right? Regarding this, don't make it as a big doubt, ma, because it is very silly doubt. I opened it by mistake, I forget, and then I pressed enter key. By mistake, I forget enter key. That's why it is asking continuation part. I closed it. And please don't make it as a very big doubt. It is a silly doubt actually. I need to close it. By mistake, I pressed enter key. That's why it is asking. Right? Don't make it as a very simple doubt. Right? Please take care of that. Now coming to the point of it, here I did not specify begin index. I did not specify end index. I did not specify. Sudarshan, I will address ma. I will address it. Please concentrate on the regular discussion. I will concentrate on it. I will concentrate on it. Here I am going to talk about begin index is not there, end index is not there. Tell me, when begin index is not specified, what I said, which index it will take? Come on, which index? Which index? 0. Prashant, very good. Prashant Bison, 0. End index is not specified. What will be taken? End index is not specified. What will come? Last will come. Last character. Super. Everybody is understanding. It is nothing but what? Complete data will come. Complete data will come. It is as good as similar to what? Internally, what it will take? Begin index means initial index it will take. End index means it will take end index minus 1. End index minus 1 means what? The length of that strobj. Go to that now. Here I am going to give you the clarity. S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Print of. Yes of. I did not specify beginning, colon. I did not specify ending. Ankit and one more student. I did not give any closing bracket. Opening bracket, I did not give closing bracket. I'm just pressing enter key. Nothing will happen. What will happen? Line is this coming. I will close it. By mistake, I press it. I missed by mistake. Close it. You will get the answer. By mistake, I specified that. That's it. You can close here itself. Answer is what? Python. So don't make it as very difficult, ma. Don't make it as a big doubt. That is, it's a very silly doubt. Python. Yes, of. Begin index is not specified. Now tell me, it is as good as similar to what? Print of yes only. Print of yes only. See, my dear student. Print of S of. Complete data is coming. Complete data is coming. Ram Kumar is asking, what ma, are you understanding my English or not? So difficult with you people. It is so difficult. Sir, in this case, it is not taking ln of s minus 1. And what is this? ln of s. ln of s is what? 6. 6. 6. 6 minus 1 is taking. 6 minus 1 is taking. Mr. Ram Kumar. 6 minus 1 is taking. My dear Ram Kumar, 6 minus 1 is taking. Nothing but what? 5 only. I did not specify. Begin. Complete data is coming. Please be careful. And such a type of doubts, please take care by yourself. Right. So take care, take care, take care. Okay. So here, STR OBJ off like this. Ram Kumar, are you okay? Is it understandable? Begin index, then end index. Fine. Coming to the point of it, here you come to the point of it. Last and final, I am asking. Last and final. Here I did not specify. It is as good as similar to what? That S only I can write it. That S only I can write it. So I hope that it is clear. It is clear. More clear, I think so. So this is syntax it gives. Here I am writing. Example section, I will just paste my examples. Begin index is not specified. End index is not specified. It is as good as similar to that only. As good as similar to that only. It is called Python. And print of S is called Python only. Here I did not specify. Begin index is not there. End index is not specified. Complete data will be coming. That is called Python. So I am going to give you this is syntax. In this syntax, I can write it. In this syntax, understand. In this syntax, we did not specify. We did not specify. We did not specify. What is this? Begin index, and what? End index. We did not specify begin index and end index. No. Bhagav Raju, Bhagyaraju. One more syntax is useful. All syntaxes are useful. All syntaxes, whichever we are comfortable, whichever is coming in the written test point of it, we need to answer it. Because we can't say that this question only will come in MCQs in the industry. Any question will come. That's why we need to learn all the syntaxes. That's why we are teaching all of them. Right. So coming to this, in this syntax, we did not specify begin index and end index. Now coming to the point of it, if we don't specify, if we don't specify, listen, if we don't specify, then PVM takes begin index as initial index. Already I told you in the previous syntax. And if we did not specify end index, if we did not specify begin index, then PVM takes that. Now I am taking one more thing here. If we did not specify which index, end index, then PVM takes end index as, come on, fast, ln of, what is this? strobj minus 1. Did you understand? Ram Kumar, is it okay? Ultimately, this syntax gives complete data of strobj. See, I said point to point, one by one I explain. Is it clear? Is it clear? Take any message, and then do it. Now, take S is equal to Python programming. You are taking this. Space also will be counted. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is the space. Sixth is the space. Print of S of 5 colon 7. I am saying 5:7. What is the 5:7? 5 to 7 minus 1 will come. 5 and 6. N and space will come. Close the bracket. N and space. This is a N and then space. And don't ask me where is the space. With Soundarya. Space is also counted. I told you just now. N is counted with the space is coming. N and space will come. Yeah, okay, ma, Soundarya, no problem. So here you say 8. 8 you take it. You will get it. You will get it like this. See that 8 I am taking. So here I am getting N space P is coming. N space P is coming. Is it okay? Is it clear about that? Fine. So here I am specifying. You say don't specify beginning, don't specify ending. Python programming completely coming. Somebody is asking laptop. You take whatever you like it, ma. Laptop, you take it. Laptop, you take it. Yes, a print of what? Yes, you don't specify anything. Laptop. It is as good as similar to what? This one you take it. Laptop is coming. And don't ask me what is the difference between this. This is one variety of it. This is another variety of it. I can say one more variety of 0 colon I will say. Beginning I specified, ending I did not specify. Begin, ending you see. This is an output is coming. Now I am saying here beginning you don't specify. Now I am writing here 6. You see that laptop is coming. Laptop 7 you write it. End you say you get it laptop. There are different ways and means are there. There are different ways and means are there. So here begin index, end index is not specified at all. You see here I said begin index and end index. So here n with the space is coming. With the space. N with the space it is coming. N with space it is coming. N with space. 5 colon 8 you see that is coming. Completed data is coming with this. Begin index not specified, end index not specified. Here it is laptop is coming. Laptop is coming. Print of yes you see. You are getting this data. Print of like this you see. You are getting this. Print of 6 you see. Begin and at varieties of syntaxes I used it. Here I got the data. So I hope you are understanding what I am trying to tell. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to tell. So see students, you understand what I am asking here. Is the syntax is clear? Solani. I told already, Nama. I told already, na? I told already. What is an output you are asking? Can't you count it 5 to 7? Can't you count it the 5 to 7? Right? Check it out. Because once if I say something, you have to check it out. For multi-line string, for single line string, same type of formulas. Because these formulas are so perfect. I can say strobj with this only, I can say it is over. But why I'm going for so difficult, varieties of different? Because I want to teach the Python towards the data science only. Now I'm going for syntax number 5, which is so ultimate. And you are going to get lot of confusion now. All the above syntaxes, I will write one important thing. Yes, ma'am. Alka Baswi. Thank you, ma'am. So I'm writing all the above syntaxes. See, students, all the above syntaxes gets the data in which direction? Forward direction only. Forward direction only, but not in reverse direction. Reverse, but not in reverse or what? Backward direction. Backward direction it is not giving. All the above syntaxes gets the data in forward direction only, but not in reverse or backward direction. Okay? Excellent. Now I'm going to give you certain syntax which is going to be something more wonderful. I want to print the data in reverse order of the data. Keep in mind, syntax 1, 2, 3, 4 will give you all of them in which direction? Forward direction only, but not in reverse or backward direction. Now syntax number 5, which is a wonderful syntax I'm going to give you. Please be careful, ma, because this is a most useful syntax for you people. Let us watch it. Here, watch it. strobj of, yeah, time is very short, ma. Please listen. Begin. I'm taking that begin. I'm giving the clarity here on this area. What I'm going to give you, students, you know, begin. I'm going to give you the clarity here, my dear students. Let us coming to the point of it. Begin index I am going to give you. All of you listen. Don't go your own answers, please. Look at first of all. Begin colon end. Begin colon end. Colon. Today we are getting step. Today we are getting what? Step. Step I am going to introduce. Step I am going to introduce. This is a new thing today we are getting. So far, previously, what is happening? Beginning to ending, it is giving character, sequence characters it is giving. Today it is giving, see the diagram. It is giving Python, sequentially it is coming. But I want what? Pi I want, T I want O. With a regular interval, 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. 0, 2 and then 4. Regular interval, 2 difference. I want to get 0, something like 3, something like what? 6, like that I want the characters. For example, if we want that characters, how we can move? Right? Look at that. Now I am going to write the formulas. This syntax to understand. This is syntax to understand. We need to write 5 rules. Here I am going to write rule 1. Carefully. Dear students, if you don't concentrate here, you will get a lot of confusion, because we are already seeing some students, because 20% of the people will get confusion. Rule number 1 I am talking. Like that rule number 2 is also there. Like that rule number 2 is also there. Rule number 2 is also there. Like that rule number 3 is also there. Rule number 3 is also there. Like that there is a rule number 4 is also there. Rule number 4 is also there. Rule number 5 is also there. Because why I prepared these many rules? Because if the interview is so difficult, they will ask you this type of syntax. Of course, I am not boasting. Take any student and see any website, this explanation you will not find. That's why concentrate very well. Here I am writing rule number 1. Sir, what is the rule number 1? Here I am writing begin. Here I will write capital letters for your better understanding. Otherwise, you will feel English. You will feel English. And here begin, comma, end, comma, what? End, and what? Step can be positive or what? Negative. First of all, they can be positive or negative. They can be positive or negative. Don't take mixed one of beginning and ending. I will give you that. First, you understand the plain explanation, straightforward, what is there in the PSF. What is Rosam suggested, I am giving. I told already in the class only. Either you use positive indexes or you use negative indexes. So far we retrieved in which direction? In forward direction only we retrieved. Today we are making you to learn in which direction? Negative direction I am going to make it. Carefully understand, ma. Don't get tension here. And done. Okay? Fine. So far what we have, begin and end only there. Step was not there. In this syntaxes, there was no value of step, because when step is not there, by default, what is the step? 1 only. What is the default value of the step? 1. That's why we are retrieving the data 0, 1, 2, 3 or -6, -4. Step is by default 1. Step is not there in the previous things. What is the next syntaxes? Next rule, sir. What is the next rule, sir? Rule number 2. Rule number 2. Very careful. Very careful. If the value of the step, the default value of the step is 1. Step is optional argument. Yes, Solani. Step is optional because I did not specify. Step is called optional. If at all you specify, based on the step only you are going to decide. The PVM is going to decide either in forward direction or in backward direction. Here if you want, I can mention. Here, step is optional to specify. Is optional to specify. Is optional to specify. Is optional to specify. And the default value of step, default value of what? Step is 1. And it looks in which direction? forward direction. It looks in forward direction. It looks in forward direction because of the things. Okay. Now, if this step value can be both positive and negative. If the step value is negative, then it looks in reverse order. Reverse data I can get it. Like a palindrome data. Madam is there. If I want to get the reverse of the data, you need not write a big logic. Here only I am writing. Rule 2. Now see the rule 2. If the step value is negative, step value is negative. I will write that also in capital letter. Negative value. If a step value is negative, Chiranjeevi Reddy, sir, once teaches in Telugu, right? Teaching in Telugu is not correct because I cannot go to that. Chiranjeevi, please try to understand. In interview also you will be getting the questions in English only. It is not possible for me to teach in the English like that, right? Please, she is asking, Sudarshan is asking. Here Maharashtra Marathi is also there. I cannot go like that. Odisha, Maharashtra, Odisha, like Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. I don't know all these things. So Jharkhand. Okay. Don't go to that one. Please let me speak in English properly. If the step value is a negative, look at, serious all of you. If step value is a negative, look at, okay, Gwalior, Chhattisgarh, okay, good to listen all of you. If step value is a negative, then if step value is a negative, what is happening I am going to say. Or first I will talk about the positive. First I will go for a positive. If the step value is a positive, then we have to consider the elements. We have to consider the characters or elements. Consider the characters or what? Elements from where begin index to end index -1. Index -1. In which direction? Positive value, na? In which direction? In forward direction. In forward direction. Provided begin, I already told, begin index less than end index. Otherwise, already condition is there. Otherwise, we never get any output. We never get any output. Is this rule is clear? Is this rule is clear? Begin index -1. End index -1 is length -1 only. Is this rule is clear? Yes. And a step value can be used for printing the data in the equal interval of value. Now let me show you that. Let me show you this example here. Let me show you the example. Okay. And let me finish this example here also. If the step value is a negative, what is happening? I will paste this rule and I will move forward. Yes. If the step value is a negative, because that is a deepest discussion of the subject. If the step value is a negative, we have to consider the elements from begin index to end index +1. Begin end index +1. In which direction? Backward direction. Provided backward direction means what? Already I told you, na? Right to left, ma. Right to left. Backward direction means what? I will write if you want. Right to left. Right to left. This is forward direction means what? Left to right. Left. I am giving the clarity. Left to right. Backward direction, right to left. Provided begin index greater than end index. Begin index greater than end index. First of all, is this rule 2 and rule 3 I want to show you. Rule 2 and rule 3 I want to show you. Let us go to the Let us go to some small example here. Let us take the known example. Diagrammatic example already there. Keep in mind this diagram wants to be there with you. Please take the pic of all of you. This you take the pic of it, keep it with you. Remember that. Now I am asking print of. See that s of 0 colon 0 colon 6 colon. I am specifying 2. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of this you see? Meaning. A.V. Naidu. Yes, ma, I went to Prakasam district and I came. I went to Prakasam district and I came. Right. So I told already. Gautavaram, Gidalur. Yeah. Coming back to this point. Here I am going to say, right. Coming to this point, 0 colon 6. 0 colon 6. I will take you one small diagram. Everybody try to understand this. P, Y, T, H, O, N. This is the data. See that 1 minute you see. All of you see. Okay, try to get the clarity on this area. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. What is the data here? 0 to 6. First of all, condition you check. 0 less than 6. Okay, it is true. Then what is happening? Step value you see positive. Positive means what? Forward direction. What is the data coming? 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1 is nothing but what? 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5 only. It is here. What is the step value here? 2. 2 means what? 0. Because you specified 0. Add 2 to that. Plus 2 you add. It is coming to the PVM here. 2. Plus 2 you add it. Plus 2. It is coming to this place. And add plus 2 to that. 6. 6 is not there, na? It will not go. What is the answer? 0, 2, and then 4 is an answer. What is an answer here? P, T, and then O is an answer. Is this explanation is clear for all of you? Is this explanation is clear? Quickly. Good. Press the enter key. See the output of it, ma. All of you see the output of it. PTO. PTO. Diagrammatic representation is important. Prasad Reddy. Simple, ma. Swine. What is the answer? Again I will repeat. Because people are not carefully listening. PYTHON. This is the given data. PYT. First you take like this. Now I set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. What is this indicates? 0 to 6. 0 to 6 means what? 0 to less than 6. Okay, it is true. What is the data coming? 0 to 6 minus 1, that is called 5. 0 to 5 only. 0 to 5, this is the data. Is satisfied. What is this data? Step is there. 5, 2 is there. 2 means what? I don't want all these things. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rushi Shoni. You need to get it. I am explaining very clearly. 2 means what? Forward direction. Positive value. Positive value means forward direction. First 0 will come. 0 with a step value 2. That is 2 you add it. Second position. Again 2. Step is always 2 here now. It is done. And 4 is coming. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is not there now. So you will be getting the output as what? 0 to 4 will come. I hope you are getting it. So see the answer now. Got it. One more answer I am asking. 3 I am asking. 3. Answer please. Answer please, all of you. Answer please. 0. First of all, less than 6 minus 1. Okay, true. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 0 to 3 and 3 to 6. 6 is not there now. Answer is only getting what? Answer is only getting that. 0. Answer is getting that. Right? Answer is what here? PH. PH is an answer. Now I am going to give you the clarity here. See the answer now. something like 2 colon 6 colon 3, 6 colon 3, anything you take it. First always see the step is called 3, step is called 3.
माझ्या
Krishna, listen first of all, listen what I am talking, listen what I am talking.
अकाउंट में सांग
2 colon 6, first of all 2 less than 6, you follow me, otherwise it's up to you. 2 colon 6, it is 2. So it is going to take once 2 to 6 minus 1. What is the data there? 2, 4, 5, like that. What is the step 3? First it is starting from this one. Okay, it is printed. Plus 3 you add it. Plus 3 you add it. It is going to be called what? 2 plus 3. It is called what? 5. 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 8 is not there. No, it is not there. Answer is called what? 2 and 5 will come. 2 and 5 will come. What is the answer here? TN. 80% of the people are getting it. 20% I can't say anything else because it's an understanding problem. I hope you are getting TN. Next time asking one difficult thing. All of you, once again I am asking. Minus 6 colon, minus 6 colon, minus 3, comma 2 I am taking. 2. What is this? Don't get confused. Step value you see. Step value is what? Positive. Step value is a positive. Then we have to consider the elements in which direction. Begin to end index minus 1 in forward direction only. Right? Minus 6 to minus 3. 2. So see that minus 6. Minus 6. 2 means what? Minus 6 plus 2. Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2. Answer is called what? This minus 2. What is the answer? What is the answer? Come on. Answer is what? See that answer here. Press enter key. Press enter key. Answer is what? What happens? Colon I need to say. Colon. I put comma. Colon I need to put. Here I comma by mistake I put. Answer is what? PT. Yeah, PT correct. PT correct. If you want, you can take that diagram. Diagrammatic representation you can take, ma. No problem. P Y T H O N 1. This is called minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So minus 6 to minus 3. Minus 6 less than minus 3, okay. What is the data coming? Minus 6 less than minus 4. Minus 1 will be there, no? Minus 4. Minus 6, minus 5 and minus 4. Answer is what? Answer is plus 2, no? Plus 2. 2 is called in forward direction. Plus 2. It is going to be. Plus 2 is nothing but this one. Plus 2 is nothing but there is no minus 2 now. There is no minus 2 because the data is available here only. Correct. That is a PT is an answer. Correct. Right. Is it okay? Come on to the point of it. It is done. If the second step is clear, now I am going for the next step. It's a very, very complex. Students will feel. Students will feel very, very complex. Let us go. Before going to that, I am asking one question. Here I am writing. See, students, all of you. There only I am specifying. Begin index I am not specifying. Begin index I am not specifying. I am saying 4 students. Good. Here it is going to give you what? 0 to 4 minus 1 it will give you. 0 to 4 minus 1 it will give you. Colon 2 I am writing. Colon 2 I am writing. 0 colon 4. 0 colon 4. Begin index is not specified. End index is 4. Step number 2. What is that? 0 less than 4, first of all, okay. Begin index is not there. 0 less than 4 minus 1, that is called 4 minus 1 is called 3. It's true. What is the data? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the step here? Positive. Positive means forward direction. Okay, 0 plus 2 and 2 plus 2 is nothing but what? 4. What is the data is coming? 0 plus 2 will come. 0 plus 2 will come. Answer you see PT. Now I am writing here. You see here, students. I will say 3. Begin index I am specifying. End index I am not specifying. Begin index I am specifying. End index I am not specifying. What is that here? 3 less than what? LN of S. LN of S means what? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5. 5, which is equal to, that is nothing but 3 less than or equal 3 less than 5. Okay, now see the data 3, 4, 5. What is the step? 2. 2 is means positive. Positive means forward direction. 3 plus 2 is called 5. 5. 5 plus 2 is called 7. 7 is not there. Answer is called what? 3 and 5 is an answer. 3 and 5 is an answer. See that 3 and 5 is an answer. HN. Understand? Now I am specifying. I never specify. Begin index I am not specifying. End index I am not specifying. See students, begin index I am not specifying. End index I am not specifying. That means a total string will be considered. Total string means how many characters I want? 2 characters I want. 0 to last 2 characters. What is an answer, please? Go to the diagram. What is an answer, please? I say P and T and then O and then O. That is an answer. See that carefully. It is going to be PT. Okay, I specified 1. I specified 1. What is an answer? Total data will come. 1 will end letter. Total data letter by letter. Letter by letter. What is an answer? Python. See that answer? Beautiful. Beautiful. Excellent. Okay. Now I will go to negative. These are all comes under rule number 1 only. This is rule number 2 only specified. Rule number 2, positive. Step is called a positive. Now I am going for negative direction. This one I am going to concentrate. It is a little difficult for you to be careful. Let us go to students. I say S is equal to Python again. S is equal to Python. Why I am preferring this? Because already have a memory diagram here. Memory diagram. Okay, students. Let us see. Print of yes of. I'm saying that here I'm giving the clarity here. What is it? 2 colon 5 or 6 colon minus 1 and minus 1. Be careful more. 2 colon 6. What is the 2 colon 6? First you take the diagram. There is no tension at all. Actually it is dead easy and so intelligent application first of all. P Y T H O N. This is the data. This is the data. I am having like this. P T H O N. This is called a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. This is called what? 2 colon 6. So okay. What is the step value here? Minus 1. Minus 1 means reverse direction. It will look into the right to left students. Right to left it is looking. What is the formula, my sir said? First of all, 2 colon 6 is called what? 2 less than 6. But what is the condition I mentioned it? Begin should be less than end I said. Here, begin should be less than end I said. But here you are specifying wrong thing. It's nothing but what it is going to give you. An error will come here. An error in the sense, see that what is coming. No output is coming. No output. You see, begin index greater than end index. Otherwise, we never get any output. Okay, intentionally we mentioned. Now I say, change that. 6 colon 2. Now you see students. Now you see, no problem. I will draw the diagram again, no problem. Because you need to get the subject. P Y T H O N. This is the data what we have. What is an answer here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the data. What is this minus 1? 6 greater than 2. Okay. 6 greater than 2. Okay. Because it is in which direction? Minus. Minus means which direction? Negative direction. Negative step means it is definitely looking into right to left. What is this? 6 colon 1. Okay, definitely. From 6 it is not there. Anyhow, 6 it is not there. Definitely it starts from 5. 5 to where? 5 to end plus 1. End plus 1 means this one. What is the answer is coming? This one. What is the data coming? What is the data coming? Come on, fast. What is the data coming, everybody? Oh, S, very good. Answer you see NOH. NOH. Diagram you see, ma? NOH. This is the answer is coming. How easy it is? Students, next, one more I am specifying, ma. One more I am specifying here. I say 5 colon 0 colon -2 I am specifying. Main important thing is step. My main important thing is step. Step is negative. Negative means backward direction. Positive means forward direction. Condition I told you negative. Negative step means backward direction. Condition immediately 5 greater than 0. Okay. Okay. 5 greater than 0. Okay. From 5 to 0. From 5 to 0 it will come. 5 to 0. How that elements are 2. 5 minus 3. 5 colon how much? 0. 5 to minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 to minus 2, that is called this one. Answers are what? Answers are what? This is an answer we are going to get it. This is an answer we are going to get it. Answer you see NHY. NHY. Come on students, quickly. I will go for begin index I did not specify. End index I did not specify. But what is the step? Minus 2. Begin index, end index did not specify. What is an output? Total string will be taken. In which direction? Backward direction. With which values? Minus 2. Minus 2. Come on. Total string is considered. Minus 2. What is the first one? N. Next is called H. Next is called Y only. Because after that, beyond that, it is not there. No. Answer is what? NHY. See, I am specifying minus 1. Minus 1. Please consider minus 1. Minus 1 means what? Negative. Negative step means which direction? Vamshi Krishna, wrong thing you are going. Wrong you are going. Minus 1 means negative direction. Negative, backward direction. Total string in reversed data. Yes, reverse of Python will come. Reverse of Python will come. If I say 1, which direction? Which direction? Now you see 1. Step is 1. 1 means which direction? Positive direction. Beautiful. So people will ask in interview point of view. People will ask in interview point of view. See students, I am saying KVR. I am saying S is equal to KVR is my data. Now somebody is asking, please print your data in reverse order. Please print your data in reverse order. Yes, please tell me how to print the data in reverse order. Quickly. Come on, quickly. What is my data? What is? Tell me the statement. Yes of colon minus 1. Colon minus 1. Colon minus 1. See RVK. It is giving that. Excellent. S is equal to what is this? Python programming. Python programming. It is the print of S. Print of S. Print of what? Yes, total data coming. Print of yes. One more way I will print it. Print of yes. Yes of colon 1. Which is going to print the data in which direction? Total in forward direction. Because step is 1, forward direction. Now the same thing I am writing in negative direction. Negative direction means what? Backward. Step, everything depends on step. Which is the output? Reverse of Python programming. See the output of it? Programming. GNI. Reverse of everything. Beautiful. Is it understandable, student? S is equal to madam. S is equal to madam. Print off. Yes off. I say yes off. You see, madam is printed. Madam is printed. Print off minus 1 also you say. It is called string palindrome. String palindrome is called. String palindrome. Next is called S is equal to Malayalam. S is equal to this one. I say close. I say first one Malayalam. You print the same minus 1 also Malayalam. S is equal to, I told literal. Because very frequently asked questions these are. S of. Yes, literal. S of minus 1. It is called literal only. Reversed data is equal to original data. Is it understandable? Is it understandable? Pawan Singh. Yes, ma. Pawan Singh. Nayan. 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 Yes. Print yes, sir.
त्याच्यामध्ये
Yes,
आपल्याला पर
Nayan
कॉल
of
पर
yes, sir. Like that.
बाय सेलचे पैसे कटलेले कुठे दिसतात मग ते
Is
आपल्याला
it
त्याच्यातून
understandable,
मायनस
students?
करायचे काय ते संध्याकाळी आपण मायनस करणार
Is it understandable, ma? All the students, please conclude. Yes. Very, very, very easy. Very, very easy. Let us go to the, I hope that positive step means forward direction, ma. Yeah, negative direction. Step is negative means backward direction. That's it. Next, I'm going to say, what I'm going to say, if the step value is negative, if the in forward direction, see students, I'm mentioning here, in forward direction, in forward direction, in forward direction, come on, in forward direction, if the end value is, if the forward direction means what? Moving from 0 to last. In forward direction, if end value is 0, if end value is 0, ending 0, forward means beginning, ending is also 0. Means nothing but what? No output will come. 0 starting with simple ma. Look at s of 0 colon end value are specifying 0. What is the formula? 0 to minus 1. 0 to 0 minus 1. That is nothing but what? Before 0 only there is a minus 1. It is illegal, I am saying. If the end in the forward direction, if the end value is called what? 0, then we never get any output. Chiranjeevi Reddy, Chiranjeevi, Seema, you are saying the same thing again when offline classes will start. I told that I will tell you that. Again and again, if you are asking, means it is not good now. I told you already, na? Why, ma? I told already in the class, right? I will tell you when it is starting. Until I say you need to continue online only. Okay? If you want online, you can go to other batch also, no problem. Okay? Right. Take care. Continue that. Because you send that message for 10 times. So there is no need of that. Because once you miss my class, you will miss so many things in the life. So understand and be careful, try to understand and then move forward. You ask this question to any student and they will be just a 0. They don't know anything about the Python except my students. I can proudly say this. And please I don't want to say about boasting about my class. Just it is a branded for Python to get the subject. In forward direction, if the end value is 0, then we never get any output. We never get any output. Similarly, in backward direction, I am going to write it. In backward direction, I am going to say, in backward direction, I am going to say here. Yeah. In backward direction, I am going to say here. In backward direction, if the end value is minus 1, if the end value is minus 1, we never get any output here also. We never get any output here also. Okay? Fine. In the backward direction, if the end value is minus 1, we never get any output. We never get any output. Here also we never get any output. Fine, students. So coming to the point back, we never get any output. Is it understandable? Fine, students. Is it okay? You come to this place, I specified end index is 0 in forward direction. You see what is happening? 1 you say, you never get any output. Syntax mistake it is. Okay. This is comes under like this. You see, you never get any output. In next is called if the end value is minus 1. In which direction? Backward direction. Backward direction means end plus 1, 0. It is going out of that. You never get any output like that. I hope that you are understanding this entire meaning of that information. Let me take it, this entire information from this place. Step related value, I will take it. Step related kind of information, I will take it. So this is a complete information. Anybody ask you tomorrow how to get the reverse of a string? How do you get the reverse of a string? Can you write a statement and show me? How do you get the reverse of a string? Come on, quickly. How do you get the reverse of a string? Statement I want. Very good. Mithun. Very good, ma. Mithun. Very good. So coming to the point of it, step value. I already told you how to get the reverse of a string. It's a regularly asking question in interview point of view. Must be careful enough. So this information, this explanation related to step value only. Step value only. So these rules which I said to you should be so careful. Without rules, we cannot move forward. You take these rules, search in every internet, you will not find this information at all. Okay, right. Related to the negative indexing also I'm going. Negative indexing also I'm going. See this, how careful it is. It is going to be no output here because condition is false. Here HON, we got it, we got this information like this. More about that, we will continue in the classes. Nothing to worry about it. It will be continued in the sessions. Python programming, S is printed, normal data printed like this, and normally printed S is equal to reversed data also printed like this. Okay, getting this information, madam, the palindrome related kind of things. Palindrome related kind of things. Got it. Right. Seema, the link related things is not available with me. Contact the admins. YouTube link, please contact the admins. They will give you the link related. Please contact them. Yes. Right. Yes, ma'am. Bhagya Raju. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So still like that we need to enter into it. You search in and very else and you will find that how beautiful concepts you will get it from my class. This is no output. No output. Here I will write it. No output. Here what is this rule? Rule number 4. Rule number 4. Here also rule number 4. This is called rule number 5. This is called rule number 5. So rule number 5, rule number 4. This is called string slicing data. String slicing explanation. String slicing explanation. You see how much explanation I gave you regarding these rules. You go anywhere, apply my rules, you will be perfect. This is related to str data. Dear students, this is related to str data. Fine. So students, are you perfect in this area? Today you practice it, still you will get more confidence on my subject. Okay, so I'll stop the class. Tomorrow we will meet. So I will meet. Today I put the timing called first day na after the vacation. 9:10 I will start my session tomorrow. 9:10 I will start my session tomorrow. Don't become late to the class. Thank you. Good day. Now I will post my explanation in the Google Drive class. Right. Thank you. Good day. All the best.
रामाचे पैसे आहेत ना लास्ट रामाचे पैसे काढतो 7:30 झालेपर्यंत खेळतो ना लास्ट
राम ऐकलं नाही तू खेळात धरला असता ऐकलं नाही काय म्हणलं काहीतरी लॉस
काढून नाही
3-4 पॉइंट लॉस सांगतात नाही म्हणजे रामजी 7:30 लॉस सहन करतो
आता हे बघ राम हे बघ 17,350 आता हे मी स्क्रीनशॉट काल काढलेलं आता सकाळचा काढलेला आहे किती वाजता 8:35 आमचा 9:35 सुरू होतं 17,350 212 वर होतं परंतु 100 हे खाली उतरलं 170 मग पुन्हा आहे ना 17,350 150 145 ते 180 दोनदा जाऊन आलं आता 290 वर